but you can do this laying on your bed. I'm going to do it on a bench here at the gym, and maybe Dr. Bertzer, you can narrate a little bit with them and talk to them about this exercise.
Okay, all we're really doing here is the weight of gravity is going to naturally pull the head down towards the ground. So we want to keep the face relatively parallel to the floor, mouth parallel to the floor, and then you want to just take the back of the head straight up towards the ceiling. So it's not that you want to arch your neck back so you're looking forward. You don't. You want to keep your eyes looking straight down.
We're not doing this.
Right.
We're doing this.
Yeah, that's what we call posterior translation. So we're moving the head kind of straight backwards. So these are the muscles that are weak when the head is forward of the body, which is very, very, very common, as Dr. Mills said. So we want to strengthen and activate those other muscles.